Guys, what do you think of the view so far?
Stunning, absolutely stunning.
We're on our way to the Bhagsu Waterfalls, and we are just running into nice scenery as we walk the route. We're not even really in the woods yet. We're just on the outskirts of the city, and you can see the valley down below. We're actually higher than the hawks, which are flying around down there. And the valley just opens up beautifully. Just stopped by the roadside here, and as I come up this hill, you can see that there's a bunch of goats, mountain goats on the side of the hill. There's a whole bunch of them that all looks white, little white dots. I'm going to zoom in a little bit.
Yeah.
Pretty neat.
Oh. I brought the bug spray, or bug cream. She brought the sunscreen. Greetings from India.
Hello.
And where is Leslie?
She's the coming.
There she is. Making her way. Just walking up to the Bhagsu Waterfalls on this little path here, and we found some goats that are very close in the hills right beside us. I don't know if you can see how steep this is, but basically it comes sheer right down to the path that I'm standing on here. And the path goes down, and you can see Leslie, Jeff, and Leanne over here. There's goats all around on the side eating. And then of course you've got this crazy guy up here.
Another one?
Hey, look at him. Look at how he's holding himself up there. It's crazy. Look at how he's holding himself up there, Jeff.
Switch my batteries in.
These guys are amazing. Talk
They
about
are.
balance.
That's what it is like out west. It's incredible.
Yeah.
Didn't get anywhere.
So we're going to continue on to the waterfalls. We're getting closer now. But I just wanted to take a little video footage of these goats that are trying to make their way across.
That man kicking the goat. Is he kicking the goat? I don't think he likes me not telling him.
Better farmers than others. They don't have fingers.
Maybe we know our place, right?
Gold? You want to go for a swim?
I'll do it.
Not think it would be that cold.
Leslie's getting ready to go in. Water's nice and clean.
I'm gonna go over here. Oh, actually, in a minute.
So guys, tell me, was the hike up here worth it?
Absolutely.
Definitely. Cafe is beautiful.
Shiva Cafe by the waterfalls. Pretty much the same as I remember it 13 years ago.
felt comfortable in Mcleod Ganj, but this feels like kind of like a homey feel.
Yeah. Jeff says he's not coming back home. He's going to rent this tent right here, and he's going to stay here for a few months.
Found my book.
He found his Jim Corbett book all the way up here.
Somebody here clearly, and there's a bookmark. There's 6 Jim Corbett books. I found the one I was in the middle of reading, and there's a bookmark on one page behind where I finished, left off when I forgot this book at home.
And just
the people here are just like mountain lovers. They're awesome.
And just as a footnote, he's been looking for that book in Mcleod Ganj for the last so many days since we've been here, and he hasn't had any luck. So, voila! Climb the mountain, and you shall receive.
Yep, wisdom on top of the mountain.
Inside the little cubby here at Shiva Cafe. A little music going on. The group really likes this place. It was quite a climb up here, and it's well worth getting here though. Taking a break, having some lunch here. So Leslie, do you like the place?
Retro 70s.
Namaste. Beautiful here, isn't it? We're back on the path that I remember now, which is the path I originally came through 13 years ago to the waterfalls, and I think it's a better view of the waterfalls because you can see the multi-layers, how far it goes up, and of course it goes up much further than what we can see in between the crack in that valley. It's just absolutely a spectacular scenery here. What do you think, Jeff?
Pretty sweet.
You can see the mountains here, and then as I turn around, once again, the valley, which is where we're basically heading to, back into Mcleod Ganj. We're just back at the first guest house we stayed at, Pawan, for breakfast, and we're catching a ride to Shimla today. It's a rainy day, so perhaps that's a good thing, so we can miss the rain, but you can see the mountains there with all the mist hanging over them. And Jeff doing his best to take some pictures in the rain.